Alright, so I'm in the garage. I got my Sainlogic Mini Chainsaw. You can see I used it and it's a little dirty. I need to clean it up. And I did charge this battery over here. Should be ready to go. You put this back over here so I don't lose it. And yeah, we're going to try it out and see what's up. So anyway, here's the chainsaw. See the bottom. This has those little tracks in it. It's got the charging port right here. See that little hole? So it's, when you're looking at it, you're like, where's it at? It's right here, right in this little spot. So then what you got to do is you got to kind of slide it in here. And then if I pull this off, we can see if we've got a charge. Now to do it, I got to press this in and then hit it. So it's working. So let's go ahead and put this back on like that. And I'm going to pull this off for right now while I transport it. Because I don't want to, see, I got to squeeze this and pull. There we go, it came off. Because I don't want it accidentally hitting up on me. So I'm going to put it back inside of its case. I just set that down in there like that until we need to use it again. I think the chainsaw will sit right in here like that. And then let's see if we can close it. Yeah, we can. Then we'll just snap it down. So I'll take the whole box outside. I'm going to cut this palm tree down. Right, so put her on just like this. Ready to go. And now you got to press this and then you get your spin. Set it down for a second and set this up so you can see what I'm doing. All right, you want to have goggles. You follow me? So now we got to cut this. So I got to press this and then do it. I don't know if you can see this. All right, we're doing pretty good. Got it. Bam, done. Sainlogic. Wear your glasses, you don't want to hurt yourself. Set that down. Okay, so I've cut these all into 6-foot things. So I'll show you how easy it is with your Sainlogic. I'm just going to put this one here and we'll go ahead and just cut it in two right here. Pressing this button, there we go. Bam, done. Sainlogic. Press here, press there, and bam, Bob's your uncle. Now all we got to do is clean it up. All right, before you start, just make sure you got goggles. You don't want anything going in your eye. So, and to make it run, you got to press this or this side and then squeeze the trigger. As soon as you let go of that, it stops. So that's like a safety. See how that comes here? Right there? Tell me if you're left or right-handed. Wear the goggles. When you're done, if you're all finished, I always recommend pulling the battery off. That way you can't accidentally cut your finger. So the battery just slides on like this, comes off by squeezing this. That's it. That's how you do it. All right. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I do stuff with chainsaws. Peace out.